If you're tired of those pesky automatic app updates on your Xiaomi phone eating up your data and slowing down your device, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn off automatic app updates. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device, then tap on System App Updater from here. After that, tap the three-dot icon and select Settings from here. Then tap on Auto Update and select Don't Update from these options. Close the settings and open up Play Store. Then tap on your profile icon and select Settings from the pop-up menu. After that, tap on Network Preferences. Now tap on Auto Update Apps and select Don't Auto Update Apps from here. And you're done. Now, none of your app will automatically update. So guys, that's how you disable automatic app update on your Xiaomi phone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.